What is a Picpoul? All right, welcome back to Drinking It In. I'm your host, Chris Cassara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. We're continuing our series of under the radar wine grapes. And I thought, given that it's like 1,000 degrees outside, it'd be good to maybe go for a light white. So, you know, we have here a Picpoul de Pinet. Picpoul being the grape, a light weight grape. Picpoul de Pinet is a French AOC, so an appellation d'origine contrôlée. Hopefully my French audience cuts me some slack with the pronunciation there. It's really, France is really the only place where Picpoul is grown. And, you know, I think we'll see what this one brings to the table, but you're typically getting some lemons, you know, apples, pears, but with distinct minerality, lots of mineral notes. I don't know if it must have to do with the chalky soil that these grapes are grown on. You know, as you might guess, you know, these wines are going to be great with seafood. Fish and chips and Picpoul are dynamite. Pardon the emergency outside. You know, because of the high acidity, you can even you know, eat some creamy pastas with this. So like a carbonara, fettuccine alfredo, some things like that. This is definitely, if I were tasting this blind, I would think this is a Sauvignon Blanc. It's interesting. So it's citrusy. It's almost more of a little bit more of a grapefruity nose than what I usually get lemons from these, but this is a little sharper. Maybe it's like a lemon peel. It's a beautiful citrusy nose though. A little floral characteristic. Well, let's see what we get. So I failed to mention that this is the 2019 Jadix. Now, all Picpoul de Pinets are 100% Picpoul. I'm going to give this one another taste, though. It's definitely, you know, citrusy. There's a little minerality in there. High acid, so you know it's going to cut through those creamy foods. I think this could also work well as just a wine that you serve when you have some cheese and charcuterie, you know, out for as a little appetizer. It's really good. You know, these wines they can come across as simple, but you know, the bottom line is if you like a Sauvignon Blanc, if you like Pinot Grigio, Picpoul de Pinet, go for it. It's going to work. You know, you won't feel like you're drinking the same old thing all the time. So, you know, that concludes this episode. You know, I appreciate everybody watching. You know, subscribe, like, put that bell on, get your notifications. You know, just thanks for watching. Cheers.